Good morning, ma'am. We present the new innovation called Harmonic Code. Harmonic Code is a futuristic device that is created to tackle the contactless need of the world.
It is based on the principles of acoustic levitation and efficiency of ultrasonic speakers to create a contactless ecosystem.
Now my friend Ambrish will demonstrate you the project.
Now when I will switch on this device, ultrasonic sounds will be emitted and we would be able to levitate some polystyrene particles
As you can see, there are 36 ultrasonic transducers and 36 transducers above it. All of 72 transducers release ultrasonic waves that converge at a single point that can create a high pressure area for the particles to levitate. This project is highly stable, and if we move this at any angle, it won't fall.
The components that I have used in this project are Arduino Nano, a DC barrel, a motor driver and ultrasonic sensors which are emitting 40 kHz of frequency. Applications. First, non-contact material handling. Our project is based on non-contact material handling. Second, assembly of micro devices.
As you can see, computers are getting smaller and smaller day by day. So the assembling of these computers is required at highly minute details and require higher skills. This project can handle those chips and allow the assemblers to maintain the quality of the project.
Like quantum computers. Third, biological experimentations. Nowadays, cellular implantations are taking place. Cells can be used to implant, and this project can also be used for plastic surgeries. And we know that cancer is a very harmful disease which affects the cell from inside. So we can find and analyze the cells by this device. At last, sustainable manufacturing.
You see, this device not only works at a single wavelength but multiple wavelengths. If you try to put up a chemical experiment inside this project, it would, if the chemical produces any harmful gases, it won't let the harmful gases come out and hold it.
This model can also levitate liquid particles. This blue one is the liquid particle, but